So she's going to present, she's from Hungary, she's an oromaxillofacial surgeon, and she's going to present the implants, the multi-unit implants. Because you know we all talk about retrievability, okay? Ma'am, just a minute. Yes, ma'am, it's like that, see? Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Please careful, huh?
So, hello, thank you for having me here. My name is Dr. Nora. I have a Hungarian and German citizenship. I studied and worked in Germany, but now I'm living and working in Hungary. Dr. Stefan Ide, in his introduction, spoke about screw retained fixation. Based on some clinical examples, I want to show you how these multi-unit implants work. The MU means multi-unit. They are that implant have a same body, same principle like KOS or BCS implants, but a different structure of the head. The head is able to have a screw retention. The neck is 15-degree angulated, and you can bend it additional 20-degree. There are the different sizes of the implant of KOS and BCS with different diameters and lengths. To insert that implants, you need some special tools, some special adapters. You can here see here some other transfer cups or some lab analogs. So let us start with the first case. It is an edentulous patient. She got 6 pieces of KOS implants in the lower jaw and 4 pieces of KOS MU implants for the upper jaw. It is the intraoral picture. The heads of the multi-unit implants. The impression posts are fixed. Impressions done. It is an open tray impression, what we do. It's the lower jaw. And the technician made the plaster models. If it's necessary to make the implant, if some correction, the parallelity of the implants is necessary, he makes for me some keys from pattern resin. There are some transfer keys. And I can put them in the mouth of the patient and shape the implant to have the correctly angulation. The technician made the wax wall for bite registration too. Bite registration is done. I applied a thin layer of thin impressions material to have exactly the position of the upper prosthesis, the upper structure. And during that time, the technician started to make the metal bar for the removable solution. Metal bar is done. It's for the upper jaw. The try-on of the metal frame is, I planned metal fused porcelain bridge for the lower jaw. It is a fixed solution, of course, and a removable bar denture prosthesis for the upper jaw. The bar is fixed with the screws in the mouth. It's the wax up, try-on, and the finished metal ceramic bridge, and the finished